Wow. Well, he just sits there. Here, buddy, I'm going to move your chair way over here now. Okay, I took his chair away from there. Now he's like, Sharky, you took my chair, but I can still stand here, Sharky. I don't need legs. You need legs, bro? Okay, you get that one? Door number 1. No. Door number 2. Oh, I see you. Go full torso, bro, with legs, the whole deal, or go home. Go for it all. Get the grand prize. So I Sharky, I don't do what you say. Well, Ghosty, you gotta obey someone. He's like,